This is an antique Singer Model 127 with Sphinx decals, Egyptian or Memphis they call it. Serial number is G9979689, which dates it to 1923. The machine's been serviced and is in complete working order. It's a treadle machine, but it does have a boss or a hub located below the balance wheel, so you can connect a motor or a hand crank. I have it in a treadle base. The base is mine. It's for demonstration purposes only, just to show you that the machine works. So I've got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo used in the ad, and just going to show you how well it stitches. The other thing for using it in the treadle base, you get to run the machine at full speed. And that's when you get to notice if you wind up skipping stitches and stuff like that. There you can see no skip stitches. It's a little trickier to see it on the back. And there you have it.